Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is under my day trading. Well, I was on Oanda and using the Forex um, trading system. It's not compatible because the robot wants to send in, a couple trades at a time, even the same. Well, unfortunately, the Olandas automatically cancel them because they only allow you to do one trade until it's completed. And the robot puts in 3 or 4. And this last one, it put like 50 in, and it shut it down. It canceled them automatically. So I can't even use that freaking account. So I told him to come back, and so I got with support. And they said, yep, you're going to have to change brokers. So I had them give me a suggestion of brokers, and we're doing that. I'm doing that right now. KOT 4X is the company I'm going with right now. So we'll see how this company works out. I've never heard of them before, but supposedly their system is integrated with theirs. So, unfortunately, now I have to transfer all my money back out of Orlando, when it took me 5 days to get it in there. So now I got to freaking send it back out of that account, back into my personal account again, and then transfer it from this one back into the KOT. So it's taken me a month to set this up, and this subscription is $300 a month. So I'm losing money by the minute. It's taken me a minute. It's taken me a month just to figure out what's going on here, how to get everything synced, and now Olanda's system will not cooperate with the automatic trading system. So don't do this. So if you're gonna go use the FX system, or Oranda's trading platform will not work. So stay tuned. Okay, now that I'm into KOT 4X, I went to punch in deposit funds. Well, come to find out, it's only cryptocurrency. It says deposit type. It's got Bitcoin via Instacoins, and Zeal via Instacoins. I have no idea what that is. That is way over my head. That is totally new currency. I'm trying to figure out, can I just deposit American money? Just, transfer it from my freaking checking savings account, move it into this via normal transfer. I have no idea what this stuff is. This is way over my head, and I'm sure it's over your head too. Transactions and stuff in Bitcoin, I have no idea. Yeah, it's the new currency. I got no idea. Redirect me. Deposit. This is beyond my head. I'm trying to figure out if there's a way to do anything else, because that's the only make a deposit. That's the only way the depositing is by those three things. So I'll find this out in a minute. I may have to even go to another broker. Jeez. Okay, I finally got to that chat section, so I'll just I've just sent a chat in. I put, how do I transfer money from my bank account? I don't understand Bitcoin. So, here we go. They just come back. Please kindly be advised that we do not currently have a direct credit or debit method to fund your account. Great. So I guess I can't use this broker. Okay, well, that comes down to going through a third-party provider, using your currency to buy cryptocurrency, and then transferring the cryptocurrency to this broker. Too many steps for me. I just want to take my money and put it in, trade it, get my money back. That's all I want to do. This is way over my head right now. And I got to go back and see if I can find another provider or another broker. Okay, I went through Forest Park FX, and they have a list of different brokers that are under them. So I went with Forex.com trading. And yes, they take American funds, but unfortunately my bank doesn't show up now, so I got to figure out a new way to do it. They will do arch payments, from where, as long as your bank is in their database. I still don't know if the robot is going to work through this company or not. I'm trying to stay away from Bitcoin, so we're going to find out here. Alright, it will go through a debit card, but everything has to be verified. So now I'm going to take a picture of it. God. Oh, man. I'll tell you, this age is crazy. To the FX system, I just told them my issue because I've got like 8 days before my monthly is up, and it's taken me almost a month to get this set up. And I got email back saying, "This is, don't worry about it. We'll give you a whole month free." So that's good. It's gonna take another freaking month to get this set up. Oh my God. This is crazy. Upload image. Not there yet. Alright, it's there now. Let's try this again. Nothing is simple. And then when they're telling you you're gonna have this company, you gotta do Bitcoin, do bits. Bitcoin, like what? So now I'm uploading the image of my credit card. You have to, and for this company, you gotta have a minimum of $100 to deposit. So. And now I'm in the works of sending my trading money from Oanda back to my checking account, and then I'll be transferring from the checking account to here. This is almost instant. It says with your doing it with a debit card and or doing it with a arch payment. 5 days if you're going from one broker to another, which is what's going on right now. Going from Oanda back to my checking account is taking 1 to 5 days. So we'll find out how fast that was. It's still taking a long time. What are you doing? Looks like this company's out of Bedminster, New Jersey. I should punch in chat and see if I think I'm going to jump on chat here and find out if there's issues with the if they got settings with IFO, what is it, IFO issues. You're kicking me here. Where is it? IFO. I need to know. I need to remember that. FIFO violations. That's what I need to find out. And if there is, then I maybe. Shoot, what's going on here? Provide full card holder name and 16-digit account number. What's been requirements? Provide image of front and back of the debit card. Oh, great. It didn't say that in the thing, so now I gotta do back too. Oh, darn it. So that's probably what's holding things up. Now it's kind of privacy issue here, because now they got all my information. Alright, I'll let you go. We'll see how much further this goes. Okay, I am just chatting with a representative here at Forex, and I put in, I was wondering, because of my last broker, I had a lot of canceled trades because of the FX robot caused the FIFO violations. And I put, well, I have them here, so that hopefully that'll hopefully he'll say I have no idea about FIFO violations. Okay, so from what I'm seeing now, FIFO violations is part of a regulated system through certain companies. So this Forex company gonna have the same problem. So I don't know. It's got something to do with regulations. So I'm not sure now. So, I don't know. I've just jumped from one ship to another, and it's got the same regulations. So I don't know if, I don't know if it's got something to do with cryptocurrency. I don't know how it would, you know, the robot is still, you know, doing its thing. I don't know, so I guess all I can do is try it here and see what happens. Because unfortunately now I've already got my money tied up in transfer. I just don't understand why the robot would continue to make the same trade. I don't know why it wouldn't change its trade as it's trading. I don't know. But all I know is the other ones that FX wants me to do has something to do with crypto. It's part of U.S. regulations. Okay. FIFO is part of U.S. regulations. Okay. So, but I did notice that a couple of the trades did go through on the Oanda platform. So they just come back to me. So it's part of U.S. regulations. Huh.